Hey, it's Rolando with your Utah housing market update for the week of 1/12/2026. We are 2 weeks into the year and we're already seeing signs of the post holiday recovery. Let's break down the numbers and see what they mean for buyers and sellers in the upcoming spring season. First up, active listings. We dropped again to 10,636 homes for sale, down from the mid 2025 peak of 13,700. That's a 22% decline from the summer high. So the idea that inventory would keep surging back through the winter, that did not happen. Many sellers hit pause or pulled back, which is keeping the supply tight. Now let's look at demand. New listings doubled week over week from 457 to 999. That's a healthy rebound after the holidays. Under contract listings also jumped up to 646, and sold listings came in at 400, which is still light but expected for early January. What's important here is that buyers did not vanish. They just waited for rates to dip or the holidays to pass. The demand is still there, it's just more selective. Price reduction stayed relatively low at 551, holding steady from the week before. Compare that to the fall levels where we were seeing over 1,800 price cuts per week. And expired and withdrawal listings dropped sharply from the New Year's spike of 1,197 to just 458. That's the flush out effect. Overambitious sellers exiting the market while motivated ones realign with the buyer expectations. Days on market held at 74, which is high but stable. Homes are sitting longer, and that gives buyers more leverage. But what's more interesting is that prices have held firm. Median prices in Utah are up 2% year over year to $520,000. So we're seeing a market where negotiation is happening more on terms rather than on price. And nationally, things are moving. Mortgage rates are holding near 6.06. Inventory growth is slowing, and demand is expected to pick up if rates stay between 5.75 and 6.25. Experts are calling for 2026 to be the year that spreads normalize, and that would be great news for affordability. So, bottom line, inventory is still low, buyers are coming back, and the 2026 market is setting up to be competitive, just more balanced. If you're thinking about making a move this spring, now is the time to prepare. Let me know if you want a local breakdown. I'll see you next week.